approach rate of over 800 miles per hour. Ladies and gentlemen, the opposing horizontal rolls. Difficulties associated with carrier aviation. We'll enjoy this next maneuver demonstrated by the two solo pilots. To the right, Lieutenant Commander Brad and Lieutenant Commander...
So the whole team can hear your appreciation. Let's give it up for the Rhino demonstration team, ladies and gentlemen. Peaches, the rest of the team here too. It takes a team to keep this jet flying in the air, and we're going to taxi by. We'll get a good look at them as we start to see.
Be here, and they have more explosive stuff up there than you. I can't even imagine what it's like out there. And these guys are dealing with. Airplanes on the ground. Pretty much. Fly them so much. Exactly. I love your background story though, because we're trying to inspire kids like we sure did yesterday with almost 7,000. Miles back now as we are about to begin. And again, ladies and gentlemen, in case you didn't bring an extra pair of shorts, it's going to get loud. And I want to keep some of this surprise. But have your cameras ready. Roll on video. Here we go. Take it away. With that frisbee radar this is the eyes in the sky for the carrier. Thanks for joining us as well, and we have another Hornet driver, if you will, and what are we about to see now that is gone by?
favorite I'm in the Fite Weapon Red Recruits as a Ozo, a weapons systems officer, and up next we're going to see two F-18 Super Hornets go to what's called the merge. We'll see this a lot with basic fire maneuvers, commonly known as dogfighting, where we're going to intercept an aircraft and then we're having a knife fight in a phone booth. We're going to try to kill the adversary as quickly as From the right, we have Lieutenant Commander Bacon and from the left,
NAS Oceana on a typical day supports about 600 operations, 17 squadrons, the busiest airport in the region, busier than Norfolk International Airport, 10,000 cubic miles of airspace is what they're managing. 17 total squadrons flying the F-18 Super Hornet. One reserve squadron, VR-56, the Globemasters, flying the C-40. Home to numerous training schoolhouses and joint commands and services 15,000 sailors yearly. Probably maintaining it. Slowly taxiing by Outstanding. The E-2 setting up on final to recover two. Who are all these creatures? Who are these brave souls flying these Super Hornets, Alex? Still more of them to come, of course, in the E-2 recovered now as well as they taxi by. We encourage you again to give them a huge wave. have at it, I guess. Yeah, I can hear you loud and clear. I just don't want you up on the truck here again. You know, COVID and all that kind of stuff. God knows what you have. So you're free to do whatever it is you need to do. Take the wings off and get it on the truck. What are you going to do again? You go take the wings off and get it on the truck?
Well, yes, sir. We're gonna take it around back and jack it up and put it on the truck there.
Okay. We have a few minutes because Rob is setting up out front of us the Jet Salto.
We didn't question. I looked inside, and there's two pedals. Which one's the brake and which one's the go?
Oh dear. No, they're rudder pedals, Clem.
I'll figure it out.
You're deep too, aren't you?
It's like a Volkswagen, probably.
It's a lot like a Volkswagen. Just you're going to taxi it over. He wants to drive the airplane. Background behind us to be able to take the wings off. And for some reason, we're going to let him taxi it. There he thinks they're the brake pedal. See, he's pushing the left one down like it's a brake pedal. I can see the rudder turning left now. They're the rudder pedals, Clem. They're... Just the way Grandpa was backing up, you just know this doesn't look good. Oh, he does know how to start it. He found the... Of course, it's a great big button that says start. Off of it. Create the wings, whatever you got to do to get it on the truck. Okay, look out, that's Grandpa there. No, Clem, no, too much speed, Clem. Oh, please, Clem, no, don't, oh, no, this is not good. Look out, Rob, hit the turf. Look out, Rob, oh, no, that's just so wrong. He's after the pyro guys, like they don't have enough to worry about over there with all the explosives and everything, and there's Clem. Can we try and get him on the radio? I don't even know if I can get him on the radio. I don't even know if he can hear me if I try to get him on the radio. Clem, are you listening to the radio by any chance? I didn't think so. Trees, Clem. Trees. Oh, I'm trying not to laugh. It's all I can do not to fall in the fetal position.
Smithfield, culinary, proud to be a part of the NAS Oceana Airshow, delighted to serve the people who serve our country. AT&T, proud to be named 2023 the top 10 military-friendly company. All right, and I'm hearing somebody in my headset for some reason, and Bill, if you could take care of that, thank you. The Virginia Patriot Guard, a diverse group of volunteers with one thing in common, of course, that they have a tremendous respect for those...
Go inside. blue cotton candy and strawberry.
Flip the straw.